The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, autonomous braking, stability control, leather trim seats, voice-activated navigation system, power brakes, compass, audio, internet radio, Pandora, fog lights, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.